Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can claim your Please Donate Robux in Roblox. So let's say somebody donated you some Robux in Please Donate game and you want to claim it. To be honest, you don't have to do anything. You should be able to claim the Robux automatically. But you might be saying that your friend donated you 50 Robux but you still haven't received it. Now the reason is if somebody donates you some Robux in Please Donate, it's going to take you at least 5 days for that Robux to be transferred into your account. So you need to wait for minimum 5 days, but in some cases it takes you 30 days. So it's between 5 to 30 days and you're going to receive it. But you can check that if you have received the Robux or not. To check it, what you need to do is click on the Robux icon at the top and click on My Transitions. Now in my case I have 0 Robux, that's why it's showing me My Transitions. In your case, if you have some amount of Robux, it's going to show you the amount of Robux you have. You want to click on that. But if you have 0 Robux like me, click on My Transitions, and inside My Transitions you're going to see an option called Pending Robux. And right beside Pending Robux, it's going to show you the amount of Robux that is pending. That means that that amount of Robux is being transferred into your account. It's just taking some time. So you can come over here and check if you have received the Robux or not. So under Pending Robux, you're going to see have received the Robux. In that case, you just need to wait. And as I said, it's going to be at least 5 days in minimum. And for more days, it's going to be 30. So it's 5 to 30 days and you're going to receive it. You don't have to click any button to claim it. It's going to be automatically transferred into your account. So yeah, that's how you guys can claim your Roblox from Please Donate. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.